Okay, in this video we are going to refine this jacket a little bit better. So let's check the reference image. Here you can see there's a curve here, so let's do that first. Maybe this one or two, this two face, so delete it. Let's go to multi-cut tool inside this mesh tools here, multi-cut, and with this tool I can just create a line from this vertex to this vertex and right click to execute. Okay, then let's go to select tool and delete this face, and then let's just move this vertex and let's go to move tool settings, make it component. It's already in component mode, that's good. Just move a little bit, move. Okay, so we got that roundness there. Okay, that's good. Then if you check the reference, there is a square like cut out there, so let's do that. For that I'm gonna delete these two faces from here and let's arrange them so that it looks like that. Let's arrange this. Again we are going to like adjust all these things in high poly stage, so we have to do a lot there. So I'm just doing the base here. So this cutout, I got this one, and from this front you can see these things. I'm gonna do all these things inside ZBrush, so I'm not gonna do here. So let's give it a thickness. I think it's fine now. Okay, sorry, let's first, I think I have to do this side as well because it's asymmetrical. Okay, so let's do that side as well. So let's delete. So let's go to edit mesh, mesh tools, multi-cut. You can just drag like this by your left mouse drag, right click to execute. So I could have done that with symmetry option turn on. Okay, something like this. Let's delete these things. I think this should go up, down, go up. This should come a little bit down there. Okay, so I'm gonna extrude again. So extrude, give it a thickness. Yeah, and you can see the inside part there, so I'm gonna give it a thickness. So let's give some thickness to that piece as well. This time I'm gonna give some minus thickness there because I don't want to penetrate there. So let's give it minus thickness, and it turns black because of that minus thickness. So let's go to mesh display and reverse it. So just reverse the normals there. So press 3 to check. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we are going to do this shoulder part.